Hey everyone, in this quick video, let's understand the difference between margin and padding. So I'm assuming you already know about CSS box model. So first thing first, you will have your content. Let's say we have div. Let's give it a name as box1 and add a class with the name as again box1. And for this, I already have the background color. So according to the box model, first we will have the content. So this is your content. Then we will have padding. So padding is simply the inside space. If I give a padding as let's say 20 pixels, it will leave 20 pixels on all the four sides, like top, bottom, left, and right. See, and if you go to inspect, see first we have the content, that is the box one. Then we have padding on the four sides. The padding is the inside space. And whether you write this or if you write this, like padding left, padding right, padding top, and padding bottom, it works the same way. Either you write this 4 times or simply write padding, it will be the same. See, but let's say if you want to have 20 pixel from left, let's say 25 pixel from right, from top, let's say 15, and from bottom, let's say 30. The 15, 20, 30, and 25. So this time, what you need to do, again, you don't need to write these four values. Instead, what you can do, here only you can write. And how it works? First, there will be top, then right, then bottom, and then left. So your top 15 pixels, then right 25 pixels, then bottom which 30 pixels, and at last padding left, that is 20 pixels. See, now let's talk about the margin. Whereas the padding is inside space, you can say the margin is the outside space. It means it is the space between this element and the other element. Let's say we have one more element. Let's say again div with a class name as this time box2. Let's say box2. And again let's have so your margin is simply the space between these two elements, the gap between these two elements, the box1 and the box2, which is the div1 and the div2. So let's give it a margin as let's say 20 pixel. So again, it works the same way as the padding works. If I give same value, if I give only single value, it will leave 20 pixel from all the four sides, like top, bottom, left, and right, the gap between these two elements. See, first we have the padding, then we have the margin, 20 pixel gap from bottom, 20 from left, right, and top. And again, here also, if you have four different values, just like padding, you can go for four values again. It also works the same way, like top, right, bottom, and left. So you can remember the difference as padding is the inside space and the margin is the outside space. So yes, that's it in this quick video. Hope you understood about the difference between them. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.